Hi friends, myself Harshit Sanjay Gaikwad. I am student of Rajan Bapu Institute of Technology, Islampur. I am currently studying in second year mechanical engineering. Today we will see the manufacturing process of rigid coupling. So let us continue with the PPT. Introduction. Coupling is a device used to connect two shafts together for the purpose of transmitting power or torque. For good coupling, it is essential to transmit complete power and torque. It is used to reduce the transmission of shock loads from one shaft to another shaft, also used to connect driving and driven parts. So these are the types of coupling. There are three main important types of coupling, which are rigid coupling, flexible coupling and sleeve coupling. You can see the pictures below. Rigid coupling. In this coupling, the alignment of two shafts should be proper. It is used to connect two separate systems such as motor or generator or motor and pump. The components present in rigid coupling are as follows: flanges, shafts, nut and bolts, and keys. So we will see the manufacturing process of each of these components. So moving further, this is the manufacturing process of flange. The material used for flange is mild steel. It is main part of rigid coupling which has following manufacturing processes. The first is cutting, heating, forging and rolling, drilling, surface finishing, anti-rust coating. So we will see the manufacturing process is cutting. This is a process done to cut the raw material as per the requirement, weight and dimension. For this we can use cutting machine or water jet cutter. Second is heating. This is the second process done on cutting part. The part is heated at high temperature but below recrystallization temperature. Forging and rolling. In this material is forged into desired shape by using closed dies. After giving the shape, the rolling process is done by using cup-shaped die. The fourth is drilling. The part is drilled at the pitch circle diameter where the bolts is fitted. According to application of numbers of bolts, the drilling is done. And the fifth is surface polishing. Surface polishing is done by using emery paper or polishing machine. The last is anti-rust coating. This is done to protect the flange from rust by using spray method. Now we will see the manufacturing process of shaft. So we will see what is shaft. The material used for making shaft is ductile material like plain carbon steel. It is generally made by extrusion process or rolling process. So we will see the extrusion process. In this, semi-molten material is pushed through a die of desired cross section. It is used to produce shaft, pipe, wires, etc. Nut and bolt. This is used to fit the two component or two objects. The material used for making the nut and bolt is cast iron. These are made by following process: cutting, drilling, surface cutting, and offset forming. Offset forming. It increases the diameter of workpiece by compressing its length. It is used to produce head of bolt. The heated material is fed into die and the force is applied along its length. Hence, it takes the head shape of the bolt. The heading operation for the production of a bolt impression in the die. So we will see the manufacturing process of keys. It is made up of cast iron. It is the essential element. It is a mechanical element which is inserted between the shaft and hub in order to prevent the relative motion between them. Manufacturing process for key: surface cutting tool, milling machine, filing, surface finishing. Keys can be made by turning process on the lathe machine or CNC machine. Surface cutting tool. It is a cutting machine used to cut the material in desired dimension. The machine is known as key setting machine. Milling machine. Parallel, tapped, and wood rough key can be produced on milling machine. Filing. It is used to give the desired shape. The key way is roughed out by using filing tool. The fourth is surface finishing. It is the last process which gives the clean surface finish. It is done by emery paper or polishing tool machine. Conclusion. Flange material. The material used for flange is cast iron and mild steel. And the process for flange is casting process and forging process. Nut and bolt. The material used is cast iron and turning. And the process used is forging. Key. Material is cast iron and the process used is turning. So yeah, so we understood the manufacturing process of rigid coupling. Thank you.